yeah, oh yeah, no one right. Oh yeah, one right. Oh yeah, no one right. Oh yeah, no one.
I was done. Illinois
is done.
Blowout.
Indiana
we're
ahead.
ahead.
Kentucky is 5. Michigan is 11. New York's done.
Holy shit, we're pulling away in Ohio.
Oklahoma, we're up.
Tied in Texas.
Tied in Texas.
It looks good. Now let's just say that I like the texture here.
Can you beep Wendy, please?
Oh, you got it.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Look at Indiana. Wait, look at Indiana. 42-40. It doesn't matter if we win. Those people. Excuse me. Good, the White House. How would you like to be? That's right. Look at Texas. Good.
Connecticut's fine. Delaware's fine. Georgia's good.
Wait. Georgia's
fine. Good. Iowa's done. Illinois
is done.
Blowout. Indiana we're ahead.
Kentucky is 5. Michigan is 11. New York's done.
Holy shit, we're pulling away in Ohio.
Oklahoma, we're up.
Tied in Texas.
Tied in Texas.
It looks good. Now let's just say that I like the texture here.
Can you beep Wendy, please?
Oh, you got it.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Look at Indiana. Wait, look at Indiana. 42-40. It doesn't matter if we win. Those people. Excuse me. Those people. Excuse me. Those people. Excuse me. Good, the White House. How would you like to be? That's right. 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 Look at Texas.
CNN, the most trusted name in news.
Arkansas. Connecticut's fine. Delaware's fine. Georgia's good.
Wait. Georgia's fine.
Good. Iowa's done. Illinois
is done.
Blowout. Indiana we're ahead.
Familiar faces, James Carville and George Stephanopoulos. That's a scene from The War Room, the documentary Bill Clinton's 1992 presidential campaign. This week, the clip is making news. You may have heard about it or probably seen it on the internet, popping up just days before Tuesday's Indiana primary. The video in question shows then Clinton campaign manager and current Hillary Clinton advisor, Mickey Cantor, that's him there in the suspenders, uttering what sounds like a derogatory term for the people of Indiana. Now, we don't know who released this tape. We do know that it's not true. The audio was actually doctored. We're going to show you the proof in a moment. Like we said, we have no idea where the fabricated version came from, and frankly, we debated even airing this story tonight, but we think it's important that you know the facts. This thing is all over the internet. And the fact's really about not just this video, but how dirty tricks, those smear campaigns, ugly and slanderous, are part of the political season, and how truths are twisted into lies. CNN's Gary Tuckman tonight is keeping him honest.
This is the documentary on the 1992 campaign known as The War Room. This scene on the internet features Bill Clinton aides George Stephanopoulos, James Carville, and Mickey Cantor. Much of what Cantor then says is hard to hear. On the original documentary, it sounds like he's saying something about being in the White House right now. But on the doctored sound clip, a voice describes residents of Indiana as, quote, worthless, white, and then adds the N-word. The clip rocketed around the internet after it was posted on some leading political websites. It has now been taken down. But coming this close to the Indiana primary, it smells like a political hit job.
Any wacko has, the same access as a legitimate person or a legitimate reporter or a legitimate politician to just put anything out there.
Those people. Excuse me. Those people. Excuse me. Those people. Excuse me. How would you like to be? 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 How would you like to be?